Hello children and parents, I hope you are having a good bonding time at home. We are now going to share a recipe that is one of the children's favorite. So hope you can give it a try at home. Okay, enjoy and have fun. Hi children, how are you at home? Remember me? Your Cik Yati at YAC? Today we'll be preparing for you your favorite lunch. It's the fish, tofu, mushroom, vegetable soup. Okay, here is the ingredient for today. We have 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 6 slices of ginger, 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Okay. We have 2 packets of sunken tofu, half cup of straw mushroom, half cup of button mushroom, 1 cup of sliced carrot, handful of seal pat chai, 1 kilo of dory fillet, and 1 liter of anchovy broth. Okay? Okay, first thing before the broth, the ikan bilis. Sesame oil, ginger, pepper, and salt. Okay. Let it steam for a while. Put carrot, sliced carrot, half cup of button mushroom, half cup of straw mushroom, steam for 5 minutes. Now it's cooking. Then we can put in the fish. Okay, fish, we put the dory fish. Okay. Put the seal pat chai inside. Stir again. And you steam. Okay. Let it steam before we add the tofu. Okay. The last part we put chicken tofu. Tofu and corn flour. Okay, that's all. Okay, I hope you all will enjoy trying my the school recipe. Bye. Take care.